First, power on the ZowieBox. Once the device has started up, the current IP address will be displayed on the screen. Open the ZowieX app on your mobile device. When on the same network, the app will automatically detect the ZowieBox device. Tap to enter the device management page. In the system settings, switch the ZowieBox's operating mode to decoding mode. Next, connect the HDMI output of the ZowieBox to an HDMI monitor or TV. Use a Type-C data cable to connect the DJI Action to the USB Type-A port of the ZowieBox. Select Webcam UVC mode on the camera. Go back to the ZowieX app, select the UVC signal source in the decoding settings, and turn on the decoding switch. At this moment, the HDMI monitor is already showing the live feed from the DJI Action, with the image perfectly synchronized with the camera, achieving plug-and-play UVC to HDMI output. ZowieBox supports UVC cameras, directly decoding and outputting via HDMI, with no need for a computer or complicated setup, suitable for live streaming, monitoring, meetings, and on-site display applications.